Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to refund QuickBooks Payment Full Guide. Open QuickBooks, go to Sales or Payments, locate the transaction, and click to view details. Select Refund or Void, verify the customer and amount, then choose the refund method such as bank transfer or original payment method. Double-check the memo and save the refund. Finally, reconcile the refund in your bank register to keep your books accurate and tidy. In this video, I will explain how to refund QuickBooks Payment Full Guide. Start by deciding the refund method: original payment method, bank transfer, or offline refund. If the original method is unavailable, choose an offline refund and note the reason in the memo field. Attach any supporting documents and notify the customer by email. Record the transaction in your register and tag it for reconciliation so your accounts stay organized and audits stay simple. In this video, I will explain how to refund QuickBooks Payment Full Guide. Quick recommendation: if this guide is useful, please subscribe and like for more tips. Also, on another note, I love these leak-proof meal prep containers because staying organized in the kitchen feels a bit like staying organized in QuickBooks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you find this useful, please give a thumbs up. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to refund QuickBooks Payment Full Guide. After processing the refund, go to Reconcile and match the refund to the bank transaction. If taxes or sales totals change, update the related sales tax adjustments and customer invoices. Run a sales and transaction report to verify the refund displays correctly. Keep notes on why the refund occurred and any customer communication to simplify future bookkeeping and customer service follow-up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.